So the Toyota is one of the more stolen cars at the moment, especially the little CHRs. These are extremely popular with the car thieves. So we've secured this one. Let's show you how it works. Here we've got one of the UK's most stolen vehicles, the Toyota CHR. Today we've installed the CAN IMMO. It's $499 supplied and fitted. Comes with an emergency override card in the pack. We also give you a free tag and leather case. We give you a spare battery and the screwdriver to change the battery in the tag. So all very convenient. Let me show you how it works. So the tag is in range. So if I put the ignition on, I'll start the vehicle. If you watch the fog light, you've got the fog light just flashed there to say that it's disarmed. We can now select gear and drive away. The car starts as normal. So I'll just hide the tag now hidden away. If I try and start the vehicle, foot on the brake, hit the start button, the ignition comes on but will not go to ready, so I cannot drive this vehicle. So if I just switch that off and reset it, using buttons around the network, I'll enter the customer's demo code. So ignition on. If you watch the fog light on the left there, that's it there. You get the double flash of the fog light, foot on the brake, vehicle now goes to ready. Switch the vehicle off. It doesn't rearm for convenience till you exit the vehicle, so you can start it as many times as you like until you get out the car. Open the driver's door, double flash to say it's rearmed, and now if you try and start it, completely dead. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.
She knows.